And hello, good morning. Welcome to the second official day of the 0 to 100k challenge. Now let's see. I got a notification. Never mind. Good morning. How is everyone doing? Let's get comfortable because will be a longer day probably. I started 1 hour earlier. We'll see how that goes. Let me put on some music. Say my name. Ahmad. How are you? Okay, let's try. I'd like this. So 9 a.m. for you, 2 a.m. for me. Whoa, should be sleeping. Okay, that's loud. Let me know if it works for you. We have something in the background so we don't get bored whenever I don't talk. All right, so I still feel sometimes that I don't have a good plan yet on how we should go over this. A short recap. I think there are a couple more cells of the Notion page. Where is it? Here. Yeah, 15 cells. 2 p.m. for you. Nice, you're in the other part of the world. Yeah, so no cells yesterday and today, not yet. Well, but this was a dummy, not necessarily dummy, but yeah, a starting product, so I didn't expect this to make a lot of money anyway. Let me get this down a bit. Let me know if the sound is annoying or anything. All right. Hello, Turkey from Turkey. Okay, so Friday we started working on a project. Let me open that up, which maybe has potential in the long term. Which was this earning calculator. So basically something like this where we can check, we enter price of a product, how many we sell per day, and in how many days we make 100,000. I still something feels like missing to this project, to the point where we can monetize it to get something out of it. So it definitely needs a lot more features. And we might work on this today, but at the same time, I might take some time each day, the first 20 minutes or so, to check out indie hackers. Let me paste this in the chat. Basically, this is a community, if you don't know, of people who build pretty much what we want to do. All sorts of projects and SaaS businesses, and yeah, talk about everything which goes in this niche, more or less. You can see they celebrate 15th user just signed up. And they have all sorts of projects, so a lot of inspiration here, which I said yesterday that I'm going to take 30 minutes every day to just look around and see what they can learn, because you never know when an idea will strike, and a good idea which can result in a good project. Okay, so yeah, I saw this. Siddharth, hopefully I pronounce his name right. made $2,000 from an indie app, which, as far as I can see, you control the monitors which are attached to your Mac. So this Play Buddy, let's check it out. Yeah, pretty interesting. He has a nice landing page. And yeah, you can get it for $5. It's kind of a, as you can see, it's a simple project. I don't know how hard was it to set it up. But yeah, for $5 he made 2,000. First shipped in February, 10 updates, 0 advertising, 500 happy customers. See, so already like a project like this, something simple but probably not unique. See, he had competition. Almost all of them were free or open sourced. So yeah, he said that just try to do it better. There's always space in the market. Hey Vid, let's get this party started. Yeah, thanks for joining again. Yeah, pretty nice. A simple project. This is what I want, as I probably said multiple times. Simple projects which can be sold for, I mean, to start off with a 2K in a project would be pretty nice. Because like, if we manage to get the project up and running, considering that we're in a challenge, we can promote that. Like we promote the project and how much we sold, and then we say that this is part of this challenge, so more people will be interested in joining, which is pretty nice. Yeah, so the first release was $4. Hey Francisco, thank you very much for your donation. Good morning to you too. You're walking? Yeah, hope you have a good walk. Walkie-talkie. All right. Good. I'm just looking through the comments. I love to see small one product problem utility tools like yours. I'm curious, what will be your marketing strategy? Marketing is where I believe I can improve. The current growth is mostly based on word of mouth and being lucky in getting some good retweets. One surprisingly helpful channel on Twitter has been some influential market makers in the community post tweets like what you have been working on, and I reply to those to get retweets and got retweets. See, so yeah, engaging with other people who also build can get you retweets, so their audience will get access to your product. You should consider launching on on Product Hunt. Yeah. Okay. So this is one project. Let's see what else can we find to learn from. How do indie hackers make a living while working on their indie projects? Let's see. I love to create things, sustain myself, blah 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 blah. Okay. How do I make a living while working on an indie project? I'd say other. Like I mean, my YouTube channel and some. I'd say income from passion projects. YouTube and course and all that. Yeah. No, I was expecting more replies. All right. I still feel there are lot of unknown yet. Or what should I do? Where should I go? Yeah. Let's continue to brainstorm some things. So basically we started QuizyDev to think about doing QuizyDev and creating website templates. Now for this, it will require probably a designer. So maybe, yeah, I was considering getting a sponsor for the challenge. What do you think? Considering that we're using some interesting projects, big projects, I was going to reach out to these founders and see if they would be interested in sponsoring the challenge. If they would, that will give us some money to play around by hiring people to, for example, design a website. Or, so design the website and we can code it and then try to create a template. That's because I'm not a good designer, so... Anywho. Another thing which I wanted to try is to create a community with Circle and Gumroad to set it up and see how that goes and what that implies. Okay. We also have some to-dos left from Friday. Email sub on ConvertKit. Let's see, did that got fixed? Nope. Refer your friend and unlock 100 more subscribers. Okay. Share the Spotify music link. Sure. Where is it? It's Stream Beats from I saw his name. Where was it? Harris Heller. No, your link. I don't think people can share links, unfortunately. Sorry. Also, I saw someone post polls in chat. How can I do that? Let me see. Create YouTube live poll. Poll. How do you say? Yeah, thanks. Straw poll. No, I saw Coding Train add a live chat poll. Let's see this.
If you would like to create a card and a point on your video board, you're gonna pop in card and your card.
Nope. That's weird. So here's my tempo again. Do you know about the tinyproject.dev guy? His project could give you some inspiration. Tinyprojects.dev. This one. I'm a full stack developer entrepreneur who started an ice cream business and cookie dough business. Lots of little project ideas whenever I have ideas, websites, games. I have, let me zoom in. I have them all sorted on a list on my phone. I'll probably have one of these lists too. Let's create an editable YouTube poll project and sell it as a SaaS. Yeah, that would be nice. The problem is I never seem to get around to completing them or even starting them for that matter. The list grows bigger and bigger. Okay. The goal of this website is to try and explore as many of these ideas as I can. I'm not one of New Year's resolution, but I do seem to get setting goals around my birthday. I turned 25. Whoa, we have the same birthday. The same birthday. I turned 26 last year. So he's 1 year younger. And my goal for my birthday year on Earth is to try at least one of these tiny projects a day as a week and see what happens. So we have the same exact birthday. Nice. All right, let's see projects. Oh, nice. Tiny website. Let's see. Tiny website. This week I built the website you are right now. It's just like, oh, okay. Fun and completable in a week. Yeah, that kind of is what I'd like to do too. A post by Alex West. He runs the website that documents his journey launching various products and reporting how much monthly revenue they make. We definitely need to keep track of these people. Okay. Firebase, I tried to build this website cheap as possible. Okay. Monetization. Currently this website operating at £10 loss year by year. Week 0. We started day 0. Pretty cool. Let's see what else he built. Okay, Silicon Valley domain names. Netflix, Soy, Facebook, Microsoft, Google. Pretty nice. Check out his other projects, which are small projects you want to build. Okay. But like he has to sell this probably. Okay, I'm curious to see if he sold anything. Over 100,000 views in a day? Whoa. Whoa. That's crazy. They are his moneymakers as of now. He continues to work on this? Alright, let's get this YouTube chat ID. Oh, okay. This is not something I want. Okay. All right. Where is my notes? No, he builds them and ships them, and they are mostly passive income with little maintenance. Yeah, pretty nice. Okay, so where I want to write this, maybe another page, which could be resources page. Resources. All right. Other creators. Tiny projects, maybe Alex West too. I want to have this here. I also know about Peters, yeah, Levels.io. He built. Actually, I'm going to put his challenge. 12 starts up in 12 months. Okay, and convert ConvertKit history. I read this. Where was his story? This one. And he started with this one, the web app challenge. These are all other people who did something similar. Hey, where is my resources here? Other creators who are doing something similar. Who are doing or did something similar. All right, let's see. Tiny projects. You said the 5th and 6th, okay. But I'm gonna check them out. Past 2 weeks I built and launched a tiny battle royale game. The idea: I set out a project, make a tiny massive multiplayer online game, playing game. Why the notes is not available in my country? Maybe Gumroad? Email me or DM me on Twitter and we'll figure out a way to give you access. Okay. Learning, so he learned Unity just to build a project. Wow, that's exciting. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. Oh, the week not knowing how to make a game in Unity. I started not knowing. Yeah, and then now I have a finished product. So cool. Yeah, maybe this could be a nice challenge for us. Where we can start something and bring it to finished in, I don't know, a week or most 2 weeks. Next week I'm going to build a program to trade some crypto. Whoa, really? As normal. A wonderfully normal social network. Okay. Yeah, I won't read through all of this, but interesting. So this is kind of a social media. Yeah. Tiny dev, tiny projects. Oh, he launched on Product Hunt. This is where disaster struck. Post now and sketch. Instead of hitting schedule button, my instinct caused me to hit post now. Hey Rahul, nice to see you like it. Yeah. Alright, yeah, I'll check them out now. Early name. I need this. I don't need this. I don't need this. I keep getting my tabs. I got a ton of tabs. I don't need them all. Alright. Reserving usernames on the internet. Ooh. Makes revenue, nice. This month I built and launched a website called Early Name, which lets you claim your original OG username on new apps, games, and websites. Interesting. Okay. So he has a subscription or something? Or you just... Okay. But it says free. The idea is nice. Free to be informed. Premium. He registers, reserves, and then transfers them to you. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. How much will people pay? I have no idea. I thought somewhere in a range of Netflix subscription. I decided to try a price point of $8. It's the ultimate lazy man marketing. Just throw your product to the ad algorithm, and Facebook will slowly figure out who exactly your preferred customer is. Hey, welcome. For 60 pounds, he only had 18 clicks. What? Down to $1 per month. Another couple of days went by. I was getting increasingly nervous. Oh boy, I can't read. Seeing ad money leave my bank accounts into Zuckerberg's. No sales, but at least Stefan thought Mitch would like it though. OG users. A lot of people sell their Instagram account with rare handles and they're obtained in what I imagine not the most ethical way. Oh. Yeah. Facebook ads is definitely... I mean, I think for Facebook ads, from what I know from some of my friends, you got to be really targeted to know exactly who your target audience is in order to make something. Because like there's so many ads on Facebook, most of us we don't even see it anymore. And in order for it to be visible, it has to be like it has to know exactly what you need and what you want. Okay. I want to see how... Oh, okay. I can follow him on Twitter. Nice. I'd like one day to have so many tiny or big projects like this. Yeah. developers and techies don't click on ads more. No, not a lot. I sometimes click, but early name. Oh, this is the project. Yeah. Market non-tech audience. Well, if my idea is that if I can set up like 5 projects which make a couple of hundred a month, I'm happy with that. Then maybe I can sell one of it for a couple K and go on from there. Yeah, so it's a long story, I won't read through it, but alright, now let's see the last project. You said the Mail-logy, emoji email addresses. Made $1,000 in a week, hired a Japanese voice actor, and learned about weird world of emoji domains. What? That's nice. So he took him almost a year, right? He started in 2020 on his birthday. Yeah, I'll reach out to him. Not long as I to me. Okay. But he bought a lot of them, right? Okay. Oh, he spent 1,000, not earned. He said earned 1,000 in a week. Oh, maybe he spent a lot on multiple ones. Okay, okay. 1,200. 15 emoji domains were mine. 150. I found the website where you could register an emoji email address and it would forward mail like Ben did. Vanilla HTML, JavaScript and CSS, Stripes API, MVP. Mail-logy. Get a next-gen email address. Your name. Florian Pop. Art. Click on the what? Hey Eddie. Good morning. Yeah, this is also a good idea he had. And the landing page looks nice. Okay, let's see if I want that. Pop 17. Search email. Click on the email to. There's a text there. Alright. $10 a year. But like, or you just buy it? Check out, let's see. Yeah, I don't want to create an account. But yeah, interesting idea. I don't know, I guess he doesn't have this because like, this is how much usually a domain costs, right? If we go to, I don't know, GoDaddy and we search for Florian Pop 17 whatever, Yeah. Whoa, it's even less. Like $2 for me. 2.5. The music was loud. You had to say something. Yeah. So interesting. He pretty much goes and reserves it for you. Let's see the video. I'm curious.
Emoji email address. Just search for your name and you can choose from hundreds of different emojis. And all you do is just connect it to your email, and when anybody sends you an email to your Mailoji, it just gets sent to you. And now I have an Emoji Banana email address. If you're still using a
Interesting. So yeah, he got like 10,000 views. 10,000 likes. So that how many
I want to show you something really cool.
views is that? Probably a lot. Hello, owls. Owls. Yeah, probably you in people from America are sleeping now, or they should. $50,000 views. Whoa. $200,000 views. Whoa. In 2 days. Whoa, whoa, whoa. That's crazy. And this is yearly. So he creates the email for you, and it's a forwarding service to your actual email. So here, but oh, I see. So he bought the domain names, like where is it, the website? So he bought like heart.gg and disc like gg, right? And then he just registers an email for you on that domain name, and you pay $10. Nice. And then he forwards it to you. Pretty nice. I wonder if I won't read through it, but is this all like automated, or he has to do something manually? And then they had 250 emoji domains. So he has all the emoji domains. Yeah, pretty nice. So this is a good idea. Get in touch. Yeah, pretty fun, inspiring. And this is his last project, right? But on Twitter I saw something. On Twitter he said making 10K in a week and selling emoji email addresses. This was at the beginning, maybe? Yeah, I'll listen to this. I'll put it here. Nice. Well done. So making 10K in a weekend, selling a project for 5K, and starting a 13K a month cookie dough business. Yeah, so in a year. Yeah, that's very inspiring. Very, very, very inspiring. So maybe that could be me. But I'll be happy with 5k a month in a year. More than happy. Well done. Guides. How to code and launch a tiny website. This is the simplest tutorial ever. Well, not necessarily. Launching with Firebase? What about Netlify? Yeah, nice. Yeah, I'm going to read this too afterwards. All right. Yeah, automating stuff like this should be the priority too. Oh, so... Oh, I see. So he made 10k in a weekend by working a weekend. Yeah. Gotcha. Yeah, pretty nice. So, I know that Levels... I keep forgetting his name. Peter. Yeah. I know that Peter makes like 500k a year now. Oh, he sold Early Name that he sold for 5k. Yeah, nice. So he makes like 500k a year or even more. I don't want to be wrong. Peter Levels revenue. 1 million a year. All right. So yeah, that's a bit more than I wrote. Yeah, let's just put the million a year. And he also like started building not necessarily tiny projects. He built small-ish projects, like projects he worked a month on. And yeah, 2 of them took off. Then Nathan Barry made... I wrote, or I think 25 million per year on ConvertKit. And I think they have a graph, ConvertKit. Let's go here and we can watch this. Yeah, also invest in stocks. Sure. Like when you have, yeah, look at this. So 28 million a year. Tiny projects. It was 13,000 pounds a month now from his businesses, but like I don't know how much his side projects make now. But yeah. Yeah, so some people are making a lot of money. And the nice thing about ConvertKit, you can see all this. Let me share it in the chat. And I'll put it here too. Oh, yeah, but this is a full-blown business. Like, as you can see, they made, where is it? So they make $65 per user. Monthly recurring revenue 2.4 million. But let's see, does it say? Yeah, they have employees. So it's a full-blown project. Yeah, and the nice thing, I mean, he started Yeah. Yeah, who wouldn't like to make that much? But at the same time, it's a lot of work, right? It's not as easy as you build a tiny project, and I mean, who knows? It can explode into something huge, but in most cases, in most cases, a tiny project won't make millions. But to be honest, like if you can set up a project to make $500 a month, and everything be automatic, it's like pretty good, right? The problem there is if you start creating something, you never know. Exactly. And you start and you build 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 projects, you never know which one just goes off. Hobby with a deadline will mean you will ship quickly. Yeah, I agree. That's one thing I was thinking about this challenge, 0 to 100k, is that maybe I should have a deadline. And also, it's like another thing is that you don't have to be this very professional developer knowing everything full stack and all sorts of things. Because when it comes to making an income, it's more about the business side, right? Finding a niche of clients which have a problem and solving that problem for them, right? But 50 to 100 tiny projects can make 100 200k. That's believable and achievable. Yeah, but like who who will make 50 to 100 tiny projects? Yeah. I'd rather go for like 10 to 20 at most, which are monetizable, because if you have, I think, like 10 projects who are monetizable, I guess that you can bring at least one of them to the next level of making, if let's say all of them make $500 a month, I guess you can take one to make 5k, right? You don't have to just come up with tiny ideas. You can bring one of them and double down on it and work on it more and bring it to the next level. Because if you see, where is it? Oh, and there's this guy I need to read about, Alex West. Oh, where was it? 12 startups. Come on, resources. So this one, as you can see, so he started the idea of building 12 startups in 12 months. But at the end, he built 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 projects. Hello, salute OneDev. So he didn't build 12 as he mentioned, but he did 8, which is like great, and 2 of them went crazy. Yeah, that idea with building X projects in a month, or making this amount by that time, it's okay up to a point. It can be stressful, and I think you kind of have to find a balance between being stressful and not allowing you to have a clear mind, and if you just give yourself all the time in the world, you just don't push enough. It's hot. Let me get up a bit. Okay. Gotta stretch. 50 to 100 is a high and unrealistic number, but 2 per month or so, and maintaining them or selling them off to a good time means you can reach 50 and still not have a lot with you. Yeah. Yeah, tiny project is different than startup. True. Yeah, that's true too. So startup is, I mean, like something, a project like this, it is, I don't think it's very hard to complete, right? So it's definitely not like he has no mod list, I think, this one, which doesn't work again for some reason. Did your chair go down or my table went up? Yeah, my table went up. Do you have a progress bar for how much you made until this point? No, because I only had one tiny resource to sell, and it's like $75. But yeah, that's on the to-do list if I'm not mistaken. All right, let me write a bit more about these people. So this could be a good resource. It can add more value to the resource. So Tiny Projects is built by Ben Stokes. I want to turn this into text. All right, so we have Ben Stokes, aka Tiny Projects, website will be this. All right. Then we have Alex West. Did I check out? Yeah. Oh, I just put the link. Since 2018, I built and failed almost 20 projects. I've shared all my lessons learnings here from day one. Nice. Let's follow Alex too. Yeah, this graph is amazing. What's your expectation when you want to grow? But what goes in reality? It's pretty fun. Let's see, what kind of ideas would be good for startup? Does it have to be kind of unique? Yeah, for startups, if you want to make something really good, probably has to be good value and unique-ish. So it has to have something unique to it. Yeah. So you need more people, you need more marketing, you need more stuff if you want to build big things. What's happening today's stream? Yeah, that's a good idea. I started looking at other people who went down this route and what they built. And now I'm documenting something here so we can have it for later. Peter Levels website. Come on. Levels.io. I want this to be a link. Levels. Alright. He created the 12 startups startups in 12 months challenge. So I want this, and then, alright, just to have it nicely formatted. If someone buys these notes, I want them to have access to the resources. I guess I can write revenue per year. At least that's what an article said. Maybe it's wrong. And then we have Nathan Barry. DevOps and testing also would be recommended. For a big project, probably, yes. Website. Why does it work? Created the this was like 5K MRR challenge. Revenue with ConvertKit 28 million per year. Okay, and I can put this here. What's happening? Oh, I can use this. So I like Notion, but sometimes to copy stuff is hard. Okay. All right. And I want to see the challenge, this one, yeah. So starting the web app challenge from 0 to 5,000 a month in 6 months. In 6 months. All right. What about your work? Do you work full time, or how do you manage work YouTube other projects? No, I don't work full time anymore. I only work on my YouTube channel now with this project, and that's kind of it. I don't have any other kind of projects right now. I wrote a book and I created a course last year, so that was okay. And I worked on this YouTube channel. Then for a while took a break, and now I'm back. That's kind of the story. All right, and I want to see what's up with this Alex guy, what he did. I got my first 50K per month customer. Okay. 2 years of indie hacking. Six months in, okay, so in 6 months he went to 50 MRR. 40 months in, I am 200. Now in 2 years in, I have shut down 2 of these products, and I'm 100. Whoa. Yeah, this is quite a story. Not the exciting one you expect to read. Right? Yeah. But I guess monthly updates. 3.3 MRR. So he does okay. Personal and financial freedom. Yeah, we all want that. Achieve personal and financial freedom. Yeah, I'm curious to indie hackers. Well, I guess I can. I wanted to ask who are the favorite indie hackers, but maybe if I search favorite indie hacker. Who's your favorite? Who's your favorite? What's your favorite? What's your favorite? Interview. Oh, this is a question someone found. This didn't work. Thank you, DevBros. I'm glad you liked it. What are you doing today? Yeah, not a lot so far. This is how I use my 10 channels to build an audience and grow my startup to 20 million in revenue. Whoa. 1 second. So, what's the plan for the challenge? Freelance, building a product, something else? Mostly is building projects. I don't know if I'll start freelancing. If I can build projects which I can automate and then move on to other projects, I'd do that, not freelancing. I'd work my own projects. All right, just let me get some water. I have 7-8 more bottles of bottled water, and I want to switch afterwards. Paying too much money on it. I guess if I could find a way to filter the tap water, I think it's called, it would be a bit cheaper. All right. Good. So this is a story. Build an audience before a product. But how do you do it? Let's see. I usually like to read these kind of stories. It's inspiring. Here's how I built an audience across channels and grown my startups, so multiple. To 2 million revenue. I don't know Django, no. Marketing and writing. When building an audience on any channel, make personal connections. Share personal experience, stories, and learnings versus company or product updates. People connect with people. Yep, I agree. Blog, newsletter, social media, Slack, community, LinkedIn, Facebook groups. Hey, Ciprian, what's up? Don't always share updates or links to your product content. Instead, talk about the problem, critique existing solutions, talk about how you'll solve the problem, share product building process and experience, share launch plan, stats, and learnings. How to grow a newsletter. Define a clear goal, what's the value? I think this is with everything pretty much. Like if you want to build something and sell something, you have to provide value and define what the value will be. Be yourself and write like a person, submit to newsletter directories, publish and distribute your newsletter like a blog. Oh, nice. Back to work, Ciprian, nice. Let's get building. Yeah, I will. I promise I will. I'm always procrastinating, so you'll learn that. All right. Okay, I won't procrastinate anymore. Did I finish writing this resource? Let me, Alex West. Website. Okay. Kind of want these to go under these, and I'll find. Yeah, thanks for like my haircut. It was expensive. Yeah, it wasn't. All right. So that's done. Built and failed 19 products. Do the app first, then the calculator. Hey, Mihai. Good morning. So he writes daily updates. That's crazy. I wanted to do this too. Whoa, so many daily updates. Whoa, is this daily since last year? March, April, May. Whoa, it is. Making videos about the process of creating a Udemy course. Well, if you learn how to create videos, it's the same thing. You just have to combine it into a nice, like a journey somehow. What is his project though? I want to see the project. Whoa. Distribute channels and channel marketplace for makers. 487 founder interviews and spent 200 hours to discover the answer. Which acquisition channel consists of work for getting new users? Which one is a personal diary? What Alex has in his website? Probably yes. Thank you, Mila. Okay. So, someone suggested we should get building. Okay. Whoa, I saw something. Sorry. Who doesn't admire their levels? Ew. You know, when you try to become like a indie hacker or business, you kind of need some business skills too. Like find ideas which people need and then learn how to market it and sell the product. Okay. What technologies? Depends on the project. All right, let me go back to the notes, and we have here a to-do list. We have ideas. What? Oh, ideas. Okay. Daily recap. Day 2. It was today. It's so hot inside here now. Researched and documented for other creators. For other indie hackers. If I love working in React, but many jobs in my city are based on Angular, should I learn Angular and get a job, or stick to React until I find a good position? If you get really good at React, I'd say you can find a business. You can find a job. For example, my first. No, it wasn't my first. But yeah, I mean, I got some side projects with React, and then my first official full-time business was with React. So and it was remote. That's what I wanted to point out. Yeah, so if you get really good at React, then just go to interviews, create a LinkedIn profile, and connect with recruiters. Put there that you know React and you build some projects with React and stuff like that. And then they'll reach out to you and they'll annoy you every day. That happens though. When you don't need a job post on LinkedIn, you get a ton. But yeah, jokes aside, I got my probably among the best job offers through LinkedIn. People came to my profile, so okay. Can I get the notes for free? Yes, you can watch the live streams and you'll see the notes for free. Resources. What's a good icon for a resource? Like a bag? Notes, I guess. To-dos. Yeah, the same icon. Whatever. Okay. Good. Goody. 100 people almost. Whoa, where are you from? Let me know in the chat. I'm curious to see. Do you record live streams? Yes, you'll find the playlist. Okay. India, UK, Vietnam, Romania. Hey, fellow Romanian. Romania, nice. Kenya. Come on, you already know. Well, there are so many people, I can't possibly know everyone. A lot of Romanian friends. Salutări. Alright. Uzbekistan, 2 people. Slovenia. Okay. Let's continue to see what I had in the to-dos. I still don't like the fact that this has the same icon. Oh, maybe this. Yeah, okay. To-dos. So figure out why email sub doesn't work. I'm going to try to do this. Do I need to pay? Yeah, let's just try to pay, whatever. Oh, I can't pay with I can't pay with PayPal. That's a bummer. Alright, so I'll put this back. Maybe other day. Improve design. Add new features. And the product page. Yeah. We should focus on adding new features. Did you decide to make the stream recordings public? In first video I saw you mentioned it's gonna be unlisted. Yeah, it's unlisted, but you can find it if you go to the playlist tab on my channel. You can find the playlist where you can find the live streams. Let's sit down. I got tired. already. Is React better than Angular? People, what would you say? My answer is neither is good or bad. I mean, both are good. You just use whatever you like and you can build stuff with it. Well, it's clearly the best. Yeah, the fight going on, it will be different. So will be going on forever. So you just do something and don't worry about. Learn something really good and build stuff with it. It's more important because, well, we're in a challenge where we want to monetize the projects. We want to build projects and monetize them. For the end user, it doesn't matter if you build it with Angular, React, Svelte, or even vanilla JavaScript. It doesn't matter. So let me show you all something here. If you go to Indie Hackers and I find, or I guess on Twitter will be better. One PHP file from creators or levels. One second. Levels EO. Okay. Keep messing up his name. So one PHP from levels. He had a tweet which just shows you the power of, yeah. So look at this. For all of those of you who are wondering, React or Angular or Svelte or I don't know which other language, read this tweet. Remote OK is a single PHP file called index.php and it makes $65,000 a month. So now let me ask you again. Does it matter if it's React or Angular or no React or no Angular or whatever? It does not matter. At the end of the day, especially if you want to like build projects and businesses and stuff like that, doesn't matter. Just use whatever you want. You can use the React, you can use Angular, you can use Svelte or whatever you want. And I think, yeah, if you go here, so now it's at 100K a month. I think they added one more PHP file. But come on, like, stop fighting over which framework is best. Just use whatever you want. Nobody cares. Yeah, I mean, if you want to get hired to work on a technology, sure, but for those of you asking about me making tutorials or coding, no, I won't make any coding tutorials. Now I'm going to focus on this challenge. So yeah. Okay. Let's work on the earnings calculator. I want to bring it to the next level, but for that, open live server. Yeah, JS framework wars are fun, but that's all they are, fun. That's just all. Python, exactly. Use Python, use JavaScript, use PHP, use whatever you want. Just stop arguing about which is best and just start working on something. All right, now I'm going to take my handy dandy note. I have here a whiteboard kind of version of a note. Basically, I can write on it, and I can not delete it. I can wipe it out really easily. It's like a whiteboard, but in a note format. I bought it for somewhere. So I'm going to use these to, like, we need to find out what would be some features for this earnings calculator. So like, I'm just going to brainstorm some things. Tailwind is fun, I like Tailwind. So the earnings calculator. I guess I could use here notes. So I can write on the computer so you can see notes MD. I like to write by hand sometimes, but let's just do it here. All right. What are you building? This is an earnings calculator which can show you how much you need to sell in order to make a certain goal. Like if you want to make $100,000, you need to sell 10 copies a day for a product which is $25, and you'll make it in 400 days. This is how the project started. This is the tiny idea, but like now I want to how do I see it? Yeah, okay. Can you build chat systems? Yeah, sure. All right, so let's find out like what will be the use of this project. Project use case. Simplify the this could just be done in a spreadsheet. Yeah, like the main idea of the project, it could be done simply, even by you by hand. But I'd like to add more features in the future. Please don't spam questions. Okay, so yeah, as I said, this is just a simple project we started Friday, and I want to see if we can get it to a stage where it has enough features where we possibly can like charge for it, you know. This is why we need to, yeah, like initially you would build a project based on a problem people have. The bad part of what I'm doing now is that I'm kind of creating a problem which maybe people don't have, but just to have a project out and see, to get traction and see if it works, you know. I want to build this, and I wouldn't take a lot of time to work on it, you know, just a couple of days probably. We saw an earnings calculator last stream which had like a graph where you could see the progression of the earnings, and yeah, but at the same time probably not the best. Isn't that what some big companies also do? I think it's fine. What do you mean? Like the creating problems where there are none? Yeah, probably. Yeah, I'm thinking. So yeah, probably. So hot. What's the temperature here? I need to open the window again. Might be a bit loudy. 20 degrees. Oh boy. All right. So as an indie hacker, or not necessarily just indie hacker, like someone who wants to build a project and maybe a SaaS project too, you could use this project to visualize. Yeah, I guess something like that could be simplify the no, I can't find words, which is not good. So if you can't find words to describe your project, that's not the best. View income, graph maybe, but this is, didn't we have a to yeah, someone built the App Ideas website. I might even use this tool. My spreadsheets are so complicated and can't really use them anymore. Yeah, but like I need to figure out what are the features which this tool must have, you know? Like, okay, let's imagine I have a book. I wrote a book, for example, and I want to see, okay, if I sell for $20 a copy and number of copies per day, maybe we can see a progression for the following months of how much you sell. What are the problems you're trying to solve? That's the funny part. That, I mean, I kind of had a problem. It's a lot to say a problem, but it was more like I wanted to see how many copies of a product should I sell in order to make a goal of 10K, right? And I was changing these numbers, and I did everything manually. Like, okay, I sell 10 copies for $20. That means I need, so let's see, 20, and we need 10K. So I need 50 days to make 10K. But then this project can grow in, like, all right, let's imagine that you have a SaaS business which is growing with 10% per month. So then you can also see the progress, okay, that grows, and over a certain period of time. Yeah, let's just work on that. I guess it's confusing. It's confusing because I don't know exactly what I want this tool to show. So I'm just going to brain dump ideas and play around with them, switch them until I find something that works. And also it has to look nice. I have this example on design Modo postcasts, or no. So I really liked how the way this tool looked like. I built it once. Yeah, so if you sell 3 copies of slides per week, you make this amount a year. If you sell 500 copies of slides per week, per hour, 1,000, you make this much. See, I kind of like this is a cool tool, but yeah, so it kind of shows, all right, how many copies of what, of something. I guess this could be just product, and we can have multiple products. And just a visualizer, income visualizer, and calculator. Does it make sense? Let me know in the chat. What's the deadline for 100k? I don't have a deadline. I might create a deadline for myself, but as of now I don't have a deadline. We also saw on earnings calculator. Yeah, so this calculator, which, yeah, what's the goal? Days sell per day. This is how much you need to charge for a product to make $1 million by that date. So this is, yeah, but this keeps bugging out. And then how much do you want to make? Million. Project X. Price, sell per day. Yeah. I guess this project is already built. I shouldn't build it again. On Friday I had an idea of making this even better, but I don't know now. And we didn't wrote down that either. Now it just makes me feel silly. Yeah, I kind of agree with you though. That's a bummer. It wasn't working, right? That's why I wanted to build it. It wasn't working on the graph side. Oh well, maybe I'll scratch it. Yeah, let's make a straw poll. Create a poll. Title. Scratch. Earnings calculator idea. Or continue. Scratch it. Continue. Popcorn. Private. Yeah, Crapple. Alright, chat, so what's this? Go here and vote. I'll just say scratch it. But you just do what you feel. I mean, yeah, kind of. You could add an option for the user to add different products, and he can then switch them and in that sell 100 copies of product per hour. Yeah, but then again, something like this is already done, and you can have different projects. And oh well. Yeah, Albert is right. Didn't this straw poll link work? Auto refresh results on. Oh, okay. Yeah. So I'll probably scratch it. How many tools in total you have to use for this challenge? There is no total limit. A Chia calculator. Oh, yeah. Yeah, see, I like something like this, you know. How's the progress now? Not the best. Yeah, I kind of agree with Albert too. And besides that, we kind of have another project idea, which is Too simplistic or too complicated for the goal? Yeah. Name 2 problems that you face daily. That's a good question. Yeah. Oh, I have no idea now. Now it's just hot. Alright, so I'm going to scratch this. That's it. Earnings calculator. I mean, I'll still have it in the backlog there if I ever going to do it again. Well, if we go here to the ideas part, there are some ideas left, like QuizyDev. This is a bit of a bigger project than I kind of want to start with, but at the same time, it kind of looks fun. What to eat for lunch and what to eat for dinner. Yeah, you know what? I saw a breakfast always cereal. Or you focus much on advertising domain. People struggle to find right audience for their project. I saw a website, speaking of what Marcus said, but it was in Romanian. You kind of get a random mail. But like, that's such a simple project. I think I already built it. Let's see, random mail. It will just suggest a meal for you to have every day. So no, that's not the best thing. Yeah, so this is something I want to find. I'm going to write it down here in front of my eyes. I want to find something which can be built in mostly this week. I want to have a project up and running this week. That's the goal. That's the goal. Don't mind me eating this crayon. Resume builder might be done in a week. Yeah, the goal to build something this week. Software engineer resume builder. There are so many things already out there, as far as I know. There is a tool, play something it's called now, and it's popular. Yeah. Mini games are nice, but like you need multiple weeks to build mini games to make them be viable. Okay. I'm thinking. I mean, I could start working on QuizyDev, or I could start creating website templates. But now for this, I might need a designer. And this is kind of the top one, which might start working on. Or we could build a merch store for dev related items. Just have t-shirts and mugs and stuff like that. So this would be the third. Oops. Probably the sec. Whoa, what happened? Merch store. Let's see what would imply to build a merch store. Third page. I want this page. Merch. Dev merch store. If I can make money with dev, I start selling t-shirts. Meme t-shirt. Yeah, that's funny. That's actually funny. Funny because it's true. Actual merch store is just template. Actual merch store. For this, I think prerequisites. How do you write this word? Whoa, I nailed it. Platform to a platform which, like, we need some platform which will make the t-shirts for us. A t-shirt that says goody goody goody. Yeah, which makes the merch. A platform which we can sell the merch on. I think there are already some merch. Sell merch. Let's see. Spreadshop, Bonfire, Teespring. Have you considered going back to freelancing platforms and grab a couple of small projects just to get some starting funds? Yep. Probably. Alright, how do you start? Start design now. Start selling. Sell anything. Upload design. Buy now. This is just so easy. This seems easy. Teespring Threadless are very big already doing merch sales. What do you mean by very? I don't understand. Assume you didn't have the Twitter audience. How hard it will be for you to sell your dev merch? I would go out and see where developers are hanging, where are the communities. And we already have FreeCodeCamp, we have CodeNewbie, Dev2, Hashnode. There's so many communities out there already. And I will try to engage there and get people from there. I mean, don't try to create a platform to sell merch. Yeah, I wouldn't try creating a platform. I would just use a platform. So is it 0 to 100k without any investment challenge or the other way? Yeah, building first or finding ideas and then T-shirt design generator that connects to those sites to set up and sell through them. That seems complex. Shopify plugin. Yeah, I write this down too. So WordPress plugin and Shopify. Is it a plugin, right? Plugin. What will imply to build a Shopify plugin? Shopify. Apps. 30 plus apps, Shopify plugins. Yeah, already have the tools for t-shirt design. Hey Gushan. So social proof, access control, free shipping bar. Just a free shipping bar, what? What? So that's all. Customer express free shipping to be included where they place it. So this plugin should help to reduce basket abandonment immediately. So it's just a bar. Huh? I'm not expert with Shopify though, so, but this seems like just a bar, just a banner. I asked whether you will invest while developing this project or trying to do as cheap as possible. No. I might invest if I need to. It helps store owners make more sell though. Yeah, I agree. So this is just like a very simple ad app. Shopify. Can I create a free Shopify store just to play around with? Yeah, I mean creating, but you kind of have to know 10k review. Yeah. I see many reviews on TikTok about this app and now I download it to my new Shopify store. Do you remember Hello Bar? From free shipping bar is like that. Buy Dogecoin and wait. Yeah. So like, just a bar, really? It's kind of, really? Oh, yeah. So it's not like, you see, it says over 100 and then 80 away, but like you just need to read this and yay, not that. And templates. But yeah, you need some fields and ask for questions and stuff. But yeah. Didn't know you can make so much money. I don't know how much money they make though. They have 10,000 reviews, but I guess they make. For the premium plan you pay for unlimited active bars. Bar background, auto scheduling. I mean, it's definitely build a 0 to 100k community platform. Yeah, let me just a second. So one other idea I have is I saw a lot of people want to join the challenge, so I might create a community for this challenge. Yeah, so I had an idea. I also had it written down here to create a where is it, community subscription, and this is basically community. Yeah, but I wanted to wait a bit for it. Hey, I'm doing well, how are you? Like, I wanted to create a community around this idea of building projects and getting it from 0 to 100k, so around this challenge. And yeah, people will get motivated and stuff like that. Vid, you're right. In order to build something for the niche, you got to see what's the need. Need to find the market where is the need, and then like build products for that need. Yeah. Build, 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 build. All right, let's see other. Back to the old solve a problem. Exactly. That's the like the main thing, right? Infinite options. Customize products option and building bundle. Trusted site. Widgets. One of the most common causes of basket abandon is lack of trust in the site. A recent survey. Okay. Your customers want to know that they can browse your store and buy things safely. By downloading trusted site, you receive a secure confirmation badge to display. The badge will make your visitors feel safe. What? Really? Oh, this is like a antivirus thing? Spammers. This is interesting. So yeah, but the last one, everyone sees I added this app, issues after issues been happening. No support at all. Check first before adding this app. Yeah, that's funny though. I kind of feel a lack of inspiration today. Yeah. All right, think. What problems do we have? Nomad list / fire. Oh, I think he recently built this. Nomad list. Yeah. I mean, even if I'm very, I don't believe that we can build something which was never built before. That's just. But yeah, this is interesting. It's funny. What's my current age? Let's see. 27. Current net worth. I don't know. Yeah, let's leave it 50k. Debt interest rate. That's, I don't know either. Annual investor return. Let's put 8%. Monthly income. 3,000, that's good. Tax rate on investment returns. 10%. Current monthly spending. Yeah, that's good. Calculate. They don't allow it. Yeah, find the biggest issue is to work, find an issue. So that's an idea. Yeah, I'll find something. It's more about doing a research. issues in the world. That's I guess this is a big one. Let's see. Create a project that collects problems from people so that people can work on it. That's not a bad idea. Problem collector. Our current list of the most important word problems. Let's see. Can we find? Where's the list? Curry cancer. Aging. Can we solve that? You should focus on a niche, I think. Problems in marketing, selling, team management, project management. You people are funny. This is why I wanted to do it live. I knew it will be funny. Hey, I had another idea one day. I'm going to put it here. No. What about a accountability buddy matcher? Well, just accountability buddy website where you can find. You create an account and then you can. No, I like this idea. Where you create an account and you can find other people to work on the same projects with, or just talk with and share your problems, and you can meet every hour or the same hour, something like that. A platform that people can share this stuff they do not use anymore. Yeah, I really like this accountability buddy stuff. So you go to the website and you say, I'm looking for someone just learn JavaScript with. Basically matching two similarly miserable people. You're me. But yeah, it's kind of it. Like when you have a problem and another one has the same problem. I think that also works in hand with the problem collector idea. Alright, let's just go with this. But let's see what we need. So just a simple website, I would say. As simple as possible, where you can just find a buddy bud. And later, but I get excited about this already. Anyone else? I need to turn this into a page. Turn into page. Yeah, sure. Super excited. A buddy or just a buddy? What's the difference? One backlink? Oh, wait. No. Delete. Ideas. I don't want this. What happened? Sometimes I don't know how Notion works. Page accountability buddy bud. All right. A place where you can find a partner, a buddy, with similar interests, and you can work together on a problem. Let's see. What are the features? List of users with their schedule plus interests. Then search for topics. So I imagine going to this website and I want to meet someone I'm interested in learning. Or yeah, you can like post a topic you want to work on, or you can, yeah, so search for a topic or post for a topic. Help with homework, yeah, sure. Getmotivatedbuddies.com. There is something already. Motivatedbuddies.com. I think I saw this. This is complicated. Kind of like an open source tutoring website. Yeah, I mean, it doesn't work. I don't care if they already have something like this. I'll just build it. Partner. This is complicated. Pricing. Oh, we also have to find a way to monetize it. But for now, yeah, let's just put it here. Monetizing. Well, ads, sponsors, monthly sub. Like sub. Oh, images, whatever. Monthly subscription. So we'll start today or just productivity day today? I might start. Like, we need to have a plan for it first, and then. Sorry. Procrastination is the key to progress. Yep. All right, so you go to the website and you just see a list of people who are interested in doing something. You know, I mean, you also need to filter out bad stuff. We need a database. To-dos. Like for features, yeah, we need authentication. Don't show a list, instead list of ideas, challenges, projects. So I was thinking, when you go to the page, you kind of see like, I don't know, Florin, he's good at blah 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 blah, and he wants to work on blah 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 blah. And also the time is available. People choose what they want to do, and your auto matching algo can match them with that, and your site can also serve as a progress tracker. That sounds complex. Like, I'll write that pro feature. Auto matching. Or like a list of tags that indicate your interest, and matches can be made using those interest tags. Yeah, and like reviews of pro feature. Yeah, auto matching is definitely complex for an MVP. It can have filters or something. No, search, I guess it's fine. But I imagine like, what's a tool where I can easily drag and drop and design stuff. I guess Figma, but I'm not good with it, so hold on. Let me log in. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Come on, send me the message. All right. Okay. What? I have some things here. You can't see. Ah, yeah. There we go. All right, how I create stuff here. Whoa, that's fun. So yeah, or can I create a board or something? Is it a challenge? Yes, it's a challenge. All right, so this is the rectangular. I have no idea how to work here. Can I need to create a artboard or something, I guess. Anyone knows how to work with Figma? I used to. Aha! I found it. This is a frame. So yeah. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, I want to be fixed. Oh, never mind. All right, so this is kind of the website. And then go to prototype and select the background to work with. Wait, what's prototype? Where's the prototype? Oh, here. Device. Oh, okay. Apple Watch. Custom size. But where do I? Yeah, I got it. Oh, so that was it. Oh, never mind. Frame. Yeah, so I guess I just need a website. And then here, so this is what I'm thinking. Here will be a title. Welcome, come to find the accountability buddy of the web of your life, blah, 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 blah. Something like that. So title. And then here a subtitle. Smaller block. Come on. The subtitle. Well, you guessed it. And I guess copy paste this. Hey. What I copy paste? How do I copy and paste this? You're learning live. Copy. Properties. Oh, Control Alt C. Alright. Just duplicate whatever. Come on. Why is it so hard? Same thing here. Never mind. Hold Alt and click while dragging. Oh, cool. Thank you. Look at that. I'm pretty good now. Thanks. Control C and Control V and it pastes on itself. Oh, okay. Problem. Never. Okay, so there's the title. Those are some bullet points, whatever. And now here, you'll see a filter. with a nav with stuff, right? Search and filter maybe, and I guess up there. And here you'll see the person. Maybe here or here. Like the... Whoa, what's this? Woo, woo. Don't mind me. If you're watching the live stream and get bored, sorry. Yeah, I don't know what these are. Oh, you connect stuff, right? Yeah. What happens? Oh, you just connect stuff. Alright, I guess. Oh, I delete it now. Constraints. Oh, okay. Alright. This is actually the first time I've seen for it. You get so distracted like it. Yeah. Okay, so this will be... I need this bigger. This will be the user, kind of. So the user... Yeah. Can I copy paste this? Yeah, look at that. It works. Not sure why it didn't work. Florin versus UI design. Alright, and these are the users. Look at that. Ah, it kind of looks nice. I'm proud of this. And now I need circle. Can I have circles of different colors? Like this will be the image. Why can't I have it 100 by 100? Okay, how can I make it on top? Can I change the... Okay. So this will be purple, because why not? Alright. Can I purchase business using PayPal? Camera doesn't support my country. Yeah, just DM me and I'll send you a copy. Alright, so this is the user profile, the image, and then here, I mean, let me delete this because it's just one. And this is more darker purple. See, and then here is the type. This is name or her name, Florin Pop. How do I change? Wait, now I need to find how to work with text. I need bigger text. You are in prototype type, shift to design. What? I'm in design. Sorry. Alright. So now this, and now this, and this, and whatever. And like this. Ah, get it. So Florin Pop, and I need it bold because I'm bold. Alright, name, and then like what would you be interested when you want to find your accountability buddy? Something like, it should say something like wants to, this will not be bold, not in either light, and this will be like smaller, 10, 18, wants to, this wants to just gives, it gives so many nasty things. Opportunities for a lot of things to happen, but oh well, just to prove my point here. Wants to, and this will be like bold. Learn JavaScript. Does it make sense? So Florin Pop wants to learn JavaScript, and I guess these two can work to how do group stuff. Group. And yeah, wants to learn JavaScript. Like that. time zone. I mean, we need time zone and time, and also like how will they connect? That's another idea. Will the platform allow people to I'm wondering if all indie hackers are having same struggles. Look, look, look. Whoa, tidy up. What's that? Okay. I can group this now. Wants to learn React on Monday. I can just have days first. Just make it very, very simple. Wait. I can copy paste this. Wants to learn React on Monday, which is 21st June. Well, what do you think about this? I have no idea who will use this tool, but hey, if we have one tool up and running, I'd be happy. Or I guess this could say time or date. And for how long, probably. I don't know. Yeah, so just you go here, you say what you want to learn, what you want to do. I definitely use this. Yay! Let's create a landing page and get emails. That's probably the meta of all projects. Or you know what? I'm thinking we could use a Google form. Or not. I mean that would kind of be the main thing to do. Like use a Google form to get their email addresses and like details of the people who would like to do something. And then when you launch, you email them. And also now I just got to this idea, like here in the top, you could select what do you want to do, and you select learn or study something, or watch a movie, talk about money, stuff like that. But I guess this is okay. Well, let's just build something like this. If it doesn't work out well, oh well. Maybe different categories, what, when, how long. Yeah. That's what I was thinking too. So you go to this site and you basically want to find a friend who shares similar interests. And if you can't find, then you create a post and you wait and you get, oh boy, and then you get notified when someone connects with you. I think at the beginning, that's right here. So at the beginning, authentication with something like GitHub, probably. Or not? What's the easiest way to do authentication? With a social media platform, definitely. Twitter, Google Auth. The values could be something like tags, chips, so you can filter them. Yeah. All right. So you go to this website, and first you get a list of every topic, every post, right? These will be posts. So let me put another one. Whoa, wait, I need to, wait, I learned this. I grouped them, bang. And now let's say that Ziga wants to study for homework, whatever, homework, Monday, or availability probably. Yeah, that's the tricky thing, working with time zones and all that. But let's just say Tuesday 22. All right, and then we have another one, which is who wants to be here? I don't know, Afri Yerham, who wants to chat about money, and he wants that on, I don't know, Thursday. All right, and you just come here, you click, and you like I think at the beginning you just are able to DM them, maybe like Tinder and a swipe feature to match people. Yeah, I'd say here at the beginning you find the button and you want contact. Yeah, that's great, that button thingy. So button here, which is obviously purple or pink. We definitely need more design stuff. I think I need a bit bigger, like that. And the text on the button, the contact. Like that. And you contact, and then maybe initially just with Twitter, and you send a DM on Twitter or something, or reach out contact. What do you feel? I mean, I like this idea. We basically need to have a database where we store the users and their posts, and then we need to manage time. But at the beginning, I guess they can just reach out on Twitter or some other platform and schedule the call, and whenever they call, like Tinder for buddies. I don't know how Tinder works, by the way. I'm too old for that. I met my wife 10 years ago or so I don't know if Tinder was a thing back then. Yeah, rating would be something I can add in the future. Okay, now my issue is that I'm not so good at backend development. Yay! And with database and all that. I'm too old for that. I mean, too old in the sense that I don't need it anymore. So, hey Michael, I'm good. How are you? What is the incentive for buddies to contact people? Like, you want to meet your next friend who shares the same interest as you. For example, if you want to learn JavaScript and you want to learn with someone else, and you talk with them, and you know, like you both want to learn JavaScript to build a project. So that would be, I guess if we launch this, at least a basic version, something like a basic version, we can get feedback from the public and we can improve. Yeah, I kind of know my way around Express and Mongo and all that too. I'd like still like to build it my own, to try at least. You can help from the chat, of course. Yeah, I kind of like this. And for the things I don't know how to build, I'll just learn on the fly. That will be an interesting thing also, right? Okay. Have you ever experienced burnout? Yep. Not fun. Not fun at all. Yeah, so they, the motivated buddies, have $50 a month to get different buddies, share plans, calendars, join cohort-based challenges. Whoa. So it's definitely more in depth of what this works. We helped over 9,000, almost 9,000. That doesn't seem like a lot, big number. Free trial. All right. Anyway, yeah, so this is our main competitor. Whoa, sounds scary. This is Accountability Buddy. Okay. And maybe we need a way to filter posts before they go live, because who knows what someone will say. I want to, you know what I mean. But at the same time, I wouldn't want to have it all manually be done. Sleepy. All right, let's start the project. And then we'll work on getting it better and better and better and better and better. Maybe yours are more developer focused. Yeah, that could be one way. So Accountability Buddy. Accountability Buddy. Okay, so this is the design. We need this. We're going to scratch this project. Bye bye. This will be the first among who knows how many projects. All right, Accountability Buddy. How are they monetizing? They're monetizing with a subscription plan. Where was it? Pricing. So it was $50 a month, $15 a month to get different buddies, share plans, earn accountability points. Whoa, what are these? Get email and SMS check-ins, choose from behavior plans, stuff like that. What's the time frame for the project? No time frame, but I'd like to have it done this week. Let's see how much we can do in a week. Okay. Features. So, yeah, as I said, should I try with React? I haven't built in the React app in a bit. So maybe, yeah, probably. I'm thinking. Basically now the actual meeting will be done by the user. They will meet on some platform and just say, you know what, let's have a Google Meet link, or can we generate Google Meetup link? I guess we can programmatically have this set up and sent to both emails or something. But yeah, that's an issue for another day. I'm going to... Or Next.js. Oh boy, it's been a while since I built a bigger project, so I don't know which one to use, which tool to use. Maybe they could have a preference on their profile, like if they have a Discord or Skype name. Yeah. But at first, I wanted this to be very basic and they can reach out to each other, and like with that contact button, where is it? Here. You can just click it and email the person. Or maybe, yeah, but then they have the email on the page. I don't know how safe that is. Or maybe you can click this and send them a DM on Twitter. Programmatically DM Twitter. Direct messages, no. I mean, isn't there a link? DM Twitter link. Let's see. Set the refractory value of Twitter messages composed to create a link to the Twitter direct message view. Recipient ID, but how do I know someone's ID? Of the username that received the message. Or pre-populated message customizing text. How one gets the ID, that's the question. The user ID of the Twitter user that will receive the message. Yeah, I don't care if they don't use my app at the beginning. So at the beginning, if they just meet on the platform, that's fine. Because like in order to keep them on the platform, that means you need a full-blown chat system and web video chat and stuff, like everything. Simple chatting system should not be real. Yeah, I mean, yeah, I will make them through, I don't know, get to on a Zoom or on a Google Meetup link. I won't create a chat system yet. That will be a bit more complex, at least as an MVP. For now, it's just a place where people can meet. They can see who has what issues, and they can just get to know each other through the platform. Later on, we can add features like a chat or even a video chat feature. We'll see. All right, gotta go to the bathroom. Be right back. Hello. Hi, I'm back. How is everyone? Let's see, chat. Yeah, I think he should be the simple chat where if someone sends a message, it should notify and should pop up on the right of the screen or something like that. Web Dev Simplified has a video. Yeah, probably. For the beginning, I still think that just having a website where people join and they can see sorry, I scared you. So as I said, at the beginning, just having a website where people can enter what they're looking for and someone can contact them by, I don't know, sending a Twitter DM or a DM on the platform. Maybe that would be better. Message on the platform. How hard will that be? I never built something like that. Like just sending a private message. This gets complicated. So yeah, private message will be a feature, like Yeah, I think you can even send a message DM just by having the ID of the user, but I don't know how to get Twitter get user ID. Twitter ID. Error not found. Type in any Twitter ID or handle and it will be converted into the respective ID or username on the right. What? Not found. Okay. Okay. Like if we need the Twitter API. Find Twitter ID, fastest way to blah blah blah. Okay. So this is my ID. Now let's create a index.html. Whatever. And I'll create a link. DM me. Okay, and this will have our HTTPS twitter.com/messages/compose recipient ID and my ID. All right, let's see if this works. DM me. No. Yeah, let's just get Sahil's ID. Maybe because it's I doubt that this tool is right, but whatever. How can you DM yourself? That's smart. That's true. That's true. Sorry. I'm getting tired. It doesn't work. Huh. So that's no good. Why it doesn't work? I mean, if I put this, then it should work, right? Look, it worked. Huh. So there's some... You need the data screening too. Okay, so let's just change this to this. And we need this. Alright, and I'm going to try this on the other screen because I don't want to have anyone. Let's see, does it work? Yeah. It does. But you need the ID. But like if you get, if we make Twitter authentication with Twitter, then you will have the ID, I think, right? That's what I think. Okay. Where is calculator project? It died. Yeah, I'm kind of getting a bit tired. So probably I wrap up here and I'll continue to think about the idea, make a plan, and come back tomorrow morning and start working on the project. That's because I can't focus anymore. But with Twitter DM messaging, you're moving away the engagement from the site. Yeah, but like having... That's true, that's true. But then I need to figure out how to make a chat system inside the project, you know? And that might be tricky. building a chat system for the project where we save all the messages and all that before we even even test the project might be a bit overkill, isn't it? Like, what if we launch with the Twitter DM messaging stuff, and then if people are using it, that will be the next idea, to build a messaging system. I'm thinking. Like, we need something up and running in a week. Let's imagine that. And probably a messaging system, or maybe not. Maybe it's not that hard to build. Definitely it will be nice to have the messaging system on site. That makes a lot of sense. Always trying to add many features and then it gets overcomplicated. Yeah, so I don't want to overcomplicate it. Just have the site. People can add. That's the main thing. So you can find someone you can talk to. Then you can talk offline. I don't care at the beginning. Just have someone use the project. Because then a lot of features will appear along the line, or I can't even talk anymore. Chat wouldn't be too hard if you use Firebase. Yeah, I mean, you need the 2 users, and then you need the message from and to, and you save the messages and you show them. You also need a way to add, remove yourself, and maybe a way to add, comment, rate others. Yeah, so add, remove yourself, that like the post. Add, remove the post. Yeah. That's in the post topic. You want to chat about. You need WebSockets. Yeah, to make it lifetime, yes. But to make it but then you have to refresh. Oh. They have a free tire. So I built a chat app with Socket.io, but like for multiple chats. Please start from project completed. What's the plan for tomorrow? Yeah, you're very pragmatic. Yeah, that should be the idea. You can with pooling, but not. Yeah, no. So I would like to offset this as much as possible. Like the main, like if they want to do a video chat, I won't create a video project already to implement it in the website. Not at the beginning, doesn't work it. What I would like is to have a website where people can find other people with similar interests they want to talk about. And then, like, they can reach out to the other person on Twitter or on email, maybe. I guess you can have a setting in your profile if you want to show the email or Twitter or whatever, or what will be a way to contact you. And yeah, they can just chat after that. Yeah, of course, I will probably lose them if they go outside the project. But maybe they come back and find other people. And with time, yeah, it can have a chat system internally on the project where people can chat and video chat and I don't know, more. But I don't want to work on it in a month or maybe months without having results, because we haven't even talked about the best way to monetize something like this. It's a cool project to build. I think it has potential, hopefully. I mean, I would like to chat with people to see what they want to work on and stuff. But yeah. Anyway, I think I keep saying that 3 hours is roughly the most I can go in a day. So yeah. Thanks all for joining. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll try to make it more entertaining with time. And yeah, see you tomorrow. We're going to start working on this project too. Let's put it in the to-dos. Create the MVP for accountability buddies. That will be the main for tomorrow. We'll need design, we'll need, oh boy, so many things. But yeah, thanks all for joining. I'll see you tomorrow morning and we'll see what we can do. Bye.